This is the Iron Trader and TGIF. Now we have a long holiday weekend here due to the Christmas holiday season here. So there will be no trading here on Monday, but I will have a video for you on Monday night to get you prepped up for Tuesday. So as usual, we are going to review crude oil here and natural gas. This video is for information purposes only, not a recommendation to buy, sell any stock, commodity, ETF. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. All right, here we have crude oil, your daily and your weekly chart. Now, we can see exactly what's going on here. See this 8 SMA here? I've been always pointing this out here. But now you see how nice it's curling up here. If you can cross that 21 day, you can push this up here to a possible, resistance here of that 200 day. Everything is going to be based on the upside on this 8 SMA here. Okay, see this? That's that downtrend. So even when it rallied up here, it can't get through. And so far this week, it can't get through. So today, what you want to watch is you want to watch this 75.20. This is very, very crucial. Again, if you can get above, then what we do is we come to this candle right here. Okay, this was the recent high. This here is sitting at 75.37. And then we come up here. We have this 76.76. And then we come right basically to this 200 day and this 50 day here. You're basically sitting right around that 77.86 level here. And then what we have is right above it here is you got 77.94. So this would be your big time resistance here. But everything is going to be based today on this 8 SMA here, okay? If you can close above, that's going to be the key. Closing above, not intraday, but closing above. The other day, it came close here, okay? You went up and you got above it, but you just couldn't hold it. That's the key. So right now, we have ourselves a nice sideways action pattern. Okay, so here on the downside, you want to watch this 21 SMA here. This is sitting at basically right around the 73 area here. And basically, you have your 8 SMA sitting right at 72.84. This is going to be your key support level. So this is what you want to watch today on a closing basis, okay? Now, right below it here, we look to the bottom of this candle here. Okay, you're looking at 72.44 here. Then we just work ourselves all the way on down here. You got 70.99 here. 70.99 here. And then what we have here, we just keep rolling down. You got 70.64. Okay, you got 69.54 here. And then we just start right there. You have 69.11, you have 68.80, and then we have 68.22. And then your big retest here is 67.71 here. But everything is based on that, is losing this key 21 day and the 8 SMA here, okay? So today, you want to keep it very, very simple. So this is what you want to watch today. You want to watch this 73 here on your 21 day. You want to watch this 8 SMA here at 72.85. And then if that's lost, this is going to be the key level right here at 70.58, your 200 SMA here. That is your downside. On the upside, bottom line, watch this key 8 SMA here, 75.20. If you can get above here, then we come to the top of this candle at that 75.37. If it closes above, this is going to be your target here at that 77.87. And then right above it here, you have your 50 SMA here at 77.94. So your 78 area here is going to be the big resistance level. Now, again, we can go, if it goes above that, we can go to the 79.60 here. You know what I'm saying? But that's a little bit far off here. It's like the 67.71. You would have to lose that 21 day and have to lose that 8 SMA here, okay? So now you look at your RSI here. Well, that's got plenty of room to run up or down here. Your MACD is still, like I've been pointing out here, this is very bullish here when your green is above your red. Very, very good. Okay, RSI here on your weekly chart here, that's looking good here. And we still have a bearish deal going on here where your green is below your red here. But if you can close above that 8 SMA here, you can see where that would possibly curl right on up. Now, it's still big brouhaha going on there in the Red Sea here. So, don't have an opinion here one way or the other. Just look at the charts here, trade the charts here. That's exactly what you need to do here to make the old cashola. All right, let's take a look here at natty gas. All right, here's natural gas here on your hourly and your 4-hour chart. Now you can see it pretty clear here on this 4-hour chart here. Okay, you had a series of lower highs all the way on down, but it held this bottom here. Now the key is going to be right here. It's going to be this price channel sitting at 2.60. Now you can see where it spiked up higher here. It got the 2.62 here, but this is the key where you're going to have to close above. If you can, then we have a nice target up here at 2.77. That is going to be your 200 SMA here. Now you can see where this put in a high here of 2.597. You had a retest at 2.59. Classic double top. Always watch those patterns. Beautiful short all the way down. Now, when it goes sideways action like this and you never tested the low, that is your buying opportunity here to go long. So now basically when you look at this, you got a nice big bull flag going here. The key is going to be closing above that key 2.62 to ratchet that thing higher. Let's take a look here on a weekly. All right, here we have a weekly chart. I mean a daily chart, I should say. Let me just even bigger up even better. Okay, so what do we have here? Okay, so basically it just has sideways action. You can't get, it's got to get through this key 200 SMA here. That is going to be crucial, okay? That's that sitting at that basically 2.62, okay? Now, just in front of it is here, you have that 21-day sitting at 2.59, but that's going to be very, very crucial here if you can get and close above that key 2.62. Now you can see where it went up here. You put in a tweezer top, came right on down here. And then basically what you have here is sideways action. But what I do like about this is a couple of things here. Is your MACD here now. Your green is nicely above your red here. Your RSI here is looking good to go higher here. And I like this 8 SMA here. See how that's starting to curl up here? If that could do it and get above here, above that key 200A, you can push it right to that 2.85 level here very, very easy here, okay? But right now here, your 50-day is curling down, your 21-day is down, your 8-day is trying to work it here, but if it can get that curl right back up here, that is going to be key. But everything is going to revolve right around here, this 2.62 level. If you can get and close above that level here, then she can pop higher. But right now, we just have a sideways action kind of situation. But you notice that this 8 SMA here, okay, is holding everything really, really nice. Even though you went below it, see, you closed above. Blow it and you closed above. Blow it and you closed above. That is the key, is on a closing basis. Now, again, here's what we have to watch here on the downside, is you want to watch that 8 SMA sitting at 2.49. If that is lost here, then we come to yesterday's candle here. Okay, you're looking at 2.40 here, and then this is the bad boy right here. This is that 2.38. See, you had a nice right there. See, you had a nice double bottom. Always look to the left of your chart here, and then it rallied right up nice. Just a beautiful scalp. So basically here, if this 8 SMA is lost here, we always look to the previous candle's low here, 2.408. And then you want to come down to the 2.38. If that's lost here, then we just follow this down right here, 2.32 here. We have on this candle here, you got 2.29, 2.27, and then your retest here of 2.23. But that is going to be in the distance here. That's only if this 8 SMA here and that 2.38 is lost. On the upside here, very nice. Just watch this key 2.62. Ahead of it, we have the 21-day here, but that could be manipulated here. So you're looking at basically 2.60 here, and then watch that key level to that 200-day. If you can get above, then we just follow these candles right here, okay? So look to the bottom of that, you got 2.67. The top of this candle, 2.75. And then we have 2.78. And then we have your 100 SMA up here sitting at 2.84. And then right above it is 2.91. That would be your upside target there if, big if, you can close above that key 21-day and that 8 SMA here, okay? But right now what we do is we have a nice sideways action. If this happens to come down here and holds that 8 SMA or even holds yesterday's low, that might be a nice, good scalping opportunity here to take it right back up here, okay? Natural gas here is starting to come into the season here. So usually it sells right on down, but then you're going to have a nice rally up here. So we got to just to see how it is, and you get any kind of a disruption, any kind of a storms, anything like that, this would rally up here good. So this is going to really, really nice sideways action. It's just excellent scalping here. So don't be afraid to scalp it long or short here, okay? The easy way I use it for the long is UNG, BOIL. These are ETFs, okay? And then KOLD for the short. Now, these are not buy and hold situations. These are scalpers. These are vehicles here to make money. That's what they are. Okay. There's many, many ways to trade the old natural gas here, but that's how I do. And then I go out flat at the end of the day here with no position because I have no idea what's going to do the next day, especially natural gas. They don't call it the widowmaker, for nothing. So again, just quick review here. Watch that T21 day here and watch that 200 day. You need to close above, then you can come right up to this target here, which is at 2.84. That's what you'd be looking for. On the downside, watch this key 8 SMA here. Very, very crucial. If that's lost here, watch yesterday's lows, 2.4, 2.3. If that's lost, your big target here, 2.23. All right, that's what I got for you right now on the crude and natural gas. I'll have more for you after the pit close here at 2:30. Thanks for watching.